Core strengthening exercise, sit-ups. Lay flat on your back. Press that lower back down to the ground. You have a couple different variations here. We can reach the hands forward, which is a little bit easier. You can put your hands at your shoulders, which is a little bit harder. You can put your hands behind your head, which is even harder than that. There are variations where you can throw yourself up with your hands for momentum. We usually reserve those to when we're at failure and we want to get an extra few reps. Press the lower back down to the ground. Exhale. Sitting up. Inhale. Come down. Exhale up. Touching the elbows to the knees. Every single time.